asked for it. And here's your host, Jack Smith.
Hi there. Welcome to our show. You know, these home movie cameras sure do a great job. And there's always something new to photograph. The children, the new puppy, the summer vacation. In fact, with a little imagination, today's amateur cameraman can record an amazing variety of experiences. Which brings me to this request. It's from Robert Trainer of Soap Lake, Washington, and he writes, "Dear Jack, I'd like to see the latest accomplishment of champion water skier Simon Curry. I don't know how, but he's attached a camera to a kite that takes him high into the air as he's towed along behind a boat. It's a subjective view of kite flying that should be very exciting and unnatural, for you asked for it. But you better hang on, Bob, because you're about to have a bird's eye view of the fine art of water skiing. Or is it a seagull's view? Well, anyway, our next stop is Cypress Gardens in Winter Haven, Florida. Strange setting for an ordinary football helmet, but for this particular hobby, it's standard equipment. An automatic 16mm camera on one side, a counterweight on the other. Right now, Simon Curry is preparing for a trial run on water skis to check out the camera. So for the moment, put yourself in the place of this seagoing shutterbug. Hang on now, because you're the water skier. Flick of the wrist and the camera's on. Nothing like a small island in the way. Low bridge ahead. Now a quick spin through a sunken forest. Beautiful, but dangerous. When you're U.S. national slalom champ like Simon Curry, you can make it look easy, even with a 15-pound bonnet on your head. The camera's rewound and set to go again, and it's a darn good thing. Up a 6-foot ramp for a jump that measures over 30 feet. And another for good measure. Homeward bound now, but our lesson in candid camera stunts is just beginning. Both Simon and the camera are in good shape, so now comes the big test. A colorful kite made of canvas, aluminum, and steel cable is brought in for its screen debut. The camera's rigged on a special mounting. A special cable release is mounted right on the grip bar to turn it on and off. A fresh load of film, a check of the wide-angle lens, and we're almost ready to go. With or without a camera, kite flying is a dangerous sport. A slight gust of wind or improper balance can cause a tragic fall. The height plus the speed makes the water as hard as concrete. So hang on tight and don't wave at the camera. Up and up you go, 100 feet into the air. For this kind of action photography, strong arms are far more important than knowing the finer points of movie making. From Cypress Gardens, Simon Curry, champion water skier, high-flying kite skier, and home movie maker extraordinaire, making one final pass. You asked for it.